Today's video, I will teach you how to make a polymer clay earrings. We just need a cross circle earrings, circle cutter, screw rings, and some stud. And also need a stick and polymer clay and the ruler. Now we need to get a piece of polymer clay, a purple one, now we need to roller it, and then we need a polymer clay color block and just put on the purple clay like a small piece. Just put all over the purple clay. This looks like a cookies. We need to roller it again and until it's flat, and then we take it and just circle it and then just circle until we can get the design that we want. Yes. And then if you still didn't like it, you need to do it and do it again. But if you want the design, you just stop. But for me, I want a not beautiful design, so I just stop it. Then you can see it's different design now, and you need to get the cutter to cut it. And then after you finish this, you just bake in your oven. Then put the screw ring inside of the polymer clay after you bake. And then after that, you need to put the cross ring for design. And now this is our polymer clay design. I hope you like it. Bye bye.